Peep the technique.
Other than the File Explorer, you can load other sources than files, such as cameras, desktop capture, synths, or from the internet. In this tutorial, we will focus on the next panel on the right, the Remote Sources panel. In this panel, you get a list of third-party API that you can use to load sources. Each API has its own panel. Let's try a web search. Click on the Web Search tab in the list to open the panel. In the search input, type something and press Enter to search. You get a list of results. Double-click on the thumbnail to load the source to the scene panel. If you type GIF in your search, you are more likely to get an animated source. Now let's try the VideoPong API. Click on the VideoPong tab in the list to open the panel. In the search input, type something and press Enter to search. Next, we will try the IPTV API. Choose IPTV to open the panel. Within this panel, you'll find a drop-down menu that allows you to select from various lists of channels. To select a specific channel, simply double-click on its name. If you're feeling adventurous, click on the Random button, and it will load a random channel from the selected list. These APIs provide you with efficient ways to integrate diverse media sources into your project. Additionally, there are more exciting features for you to explore on your own, and we can anticipate even more integrations in the future.